Hi everyone, welcome back to Chronic Positivity. Today I'm hopefully uploading this video. I've been recording some other things, but just we never finished them. Today I don't really know exactly what this is going to be about, but the main focus is going to be me as a totally blind person setting up a Windows computer basically from the beginning and installing programs and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm learning how to do it myself. So I figured I would do a video along with it.
Also, there might be some food stuff in the intermixed because I'm in the middle of making dinner, so.
Yep.
Okay. So I think the first thing we should do is, I know you have it open, but you should do like a little exploration of the laptop.
Yeah, because I don't know the keys and...
So...
Oh, I see.
My friend gave her this laptop because she did have a Windows-based computer, but it was really outdated and it was getting kind of slow. And with Windows 10 becoming end of life, he had this laptop. It's actually a pretty nice machine. It's an Acer gaming laptop.
Zimbabwe, 249 of 249 selected.
I think I definitely need...
To move your thing back.
No.
Zambia, Yemen, Wallace and Viet.
Try hitting those.
City,
Try hitting C.
243 of 2 and C.
No, it didn't jump you up. Okay, so just hold the up arrow.
I'm trying to...
Vanuatu, Uzbekistan, Uruguay.
I think I found it. I need to put some
Bump
dots.
that.
North Micronesia.
So right now she is going through, so I'm going to come around so you can see what she's doing.
I don't even know what I'm doing, to be honest.
She's scrolling through to select the country that she wants.
Cayman Islands, Cameroon, Cambodia, Congo, Burundi, Burkina.
Oh, you went too far.
Cabo Verde, Cambodia, Cameroon, Cayman Islands, Central African Republic.
Oh, maybe that's a scroll. Oh, maybe Canada is all the way at the top.
Chad, the Bahamas, Azerbaijan, Afghanistan, Canada.
There we go, yep.
Canada, 1 of 200.
Okay, now you can hit tab.
Selected. Yes. Button.
Yes?
Yep, okay, hit enter.
I don't know where enter is.
Back heading level 4.
Oh.
Windows setup pane. Just keyboard selection list.
Oh my god.
Required.
I don't know what I just did.
1 of 101. Selected.
Okay, you can just hit enter again.
Yeah, I don't know where the enter key is.
Skip adding a second keyboard.
Oh, you can just skip.
Button. Skip heading level 4. Windows setup pane. Just a moment. At level 2.
Okay, what did I
Network
do?
connection flow window. Bell 378 secured. Secured. Signal 4 out.
I'm having a hard time finding
1 of
the...
17.
The
Selected.
keys. Okay.
Okay. Oh, wait, maybe.
Bell 498. Bell 3.
Oh.
Bell. Direct V8. Pika and Butterfly. Pika and TI5G. Connect automatically. Checkbox.
Okay,
check.
I'm gonna pause this video while she enters the Wi-Fi password.
Where do I go?
And we're back from the time lapse. So that was a time lapse of Windows updates.
Yep, hopefully it worked.
Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Input indicator. Button. Accessibility.
Oh wait.
Button. Input, please review the license agreement pane. Accept, button. Heading level 4, let's name your device pane. Name your device, edit.
My name?
Sure.
Cap T. Space, Tiana, Cap D, U, N, K, L, E, Y.
Oh, you can't do spaces.
Oh.
It won't accept spaces.
Where's the, is, oh.
Y, E, F, K, F, U, cap space.
You can do a dash though.
No, it's okay, I'll just do the first one. Bottom now and stuff.
Then you can hit tab. Oh,
Oh.
it's doing something.
What did I do?
I don't know.
Did I break it?
No. Oh,
Probably did.
it restarted itself.
Is it? Is it turned off?
It's turning back on.
This might be a pretty boring video.
Yeah, this might be, but it'll still be interesting. Oh, it's because of the Windows updates.
Oh.
You guys get to see more Windows updates in not time-lapse mode.
Yeah. You get to feel our pain. Just kidding, we can switch to time lapse.
No, it's already done. Okay, try hitting tab.
Oh, no.
It's loading, but maybe the screen reader hasn't kicked in yet. Try that thing then, I guess.
What?
Windows Control Enter.
Where are those buttons?
So Control is the very bottom left.
Yeah.
Then there's a key, which is known as the FN key or the function key.
Yeah.
Then you have the Windows key. Then you have Alt.
So, okay, so Windows.
Control and Enter.
So, okay.
So have a space between your two fingers on the...
Exiting narrator.
Oh, it exited.
Microsoft account window. Unlock your Microsoft Experience pane. Sign in button.
Okay. So you can hit Enter.
Sign heading level 4. Get more. Enter your email, phone, or Skype.
Okay,
Email.
so we might
Sign
pause
in.
the video here so that she can
Log in.
log in.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're all signed in.
Yeah. And now I need to
Create a pin.
create a pin. And by the way, this is gonna take me forever
Windows
probably
setup pane.
because
Button.
I am having a hard time using this keyboard.
Create a pin pane.
She's
Create
not
pin.
used to it.
Button.
It's very slim,
Heading level 4.
so there's
Windows
not much
security
tactile
window.
give
Cancel.
to it,
Button. Input indicator.
but
Button.
you should be able to use the number pad. I turned on the number pad. You should be able to use it now.
I know, but
2.
nothing's happening.
It started to type 2 and
Microsoft account window. Disable.
Oh my goodness, what did I do here?
I'm not sure.
Input indicator. Button. Accessibility. Volume. Input indicator. Button.
What is this? Input indicator. Whoa, you're
Space.
moving me.
Okay.
I don't know what I did.
Let's see.
Accessibility. Volume. Button.
Try hitting tab again. Okay, I think you can just type. So try just typing.
M.
But you have to type in numbers.
No, it's not working.
Okay.
5.
It says it's typing, but it's not actually typing.
Okay, give me a second. I will fix this for her. Okay, so I'm gonna fix it for her. So I'm gonna give her the phone.
Landscape.
Input indicator. Accessible. Volume. Input indicator.
Why is
Button.
not?
Whoa. I probably
Windows
shouldn't get your
security
face
window.
shoved in there.
Confirm pin. Edit.
I couldn't even
New
type a
pin.
pin.
Cancel. Button. New pin. Edit.
Okay, there you go. I've got it fixed.
Okay, here you go.
You took your focus away somehow. So there you go.
I what?
Somehow took the focus away from the...
Oh.
Hidden. 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 Hidden.
Then you hit tab.
Confirm pin. Edit. Hidden. 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 Hidden.
And then you can hit enter. So the reason why the screen reader says hidden is so that it keeps the pin secure. So it does the same thing for passwords.
Input indicator. Accessibility. Volume. Text. Heading level 4. Just a moment. At level 2. Just a moment. At level 2. Let Microsoft and apps use your location list. Required. Yes, get location-based experiences.
So you can use your
like
up or down
directions
arrows
and
here.
weather. Let Windows and apps request your location. Microsoft will use location data to improve locations. No, you won't be able to get location-based experiences like the... Yes, get location-based experiences like the...
Sure.
Yes, get location-based experiences like directions
tab.
and weather. No, you won't be able to. Yes, get location-based experiences like directions and weather. Let Windows and apps request
or you
your
can try
location.
just hitting enter.
Microsoft will use location. Find my device list. Required. Yes, turn on Find My Device and use your device's location data to help you find your device if you lose it.
So you can say yes or no.
Yes, turn on Find My Device and use your device's location data to help you find your device. Send diagnostic data to Microsoft list.
You can say yes or no to that. Same
Include
thing.
optional send info about how you use apps. Include optional send. Improve inking. Yes, send optional inking and typing diagnostic. Get tailored experiences with diagnostic. Yes, let Microsoft use your diagnostic data.
Okay.
Heading level 4. Windows setup pane. Just a moment. At level 2. Just a moment. At level 2. Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Level 2.
Because it pulled your stuff from Windows 10.
Pane. Continue. Button.
Okay, so use your down arrow.
No, let's just continue.
Continue disabled. Restoring from backup. At level 2.
Oh.
So it's restoring your everything that was on your other computer.
Oh. So then I don't need all those things, do I?
It won't install programs.
Oh.
Try hitting tab.
Link. Privacy statement. Input indicator. Button.
What?
Accessibility. Volume. Windows setup pane. Heading level 4.
Oh, there
Just
you go.
a moment. At level 2.
Now it says just a moment while it gets
Getting
things ready.
ready for you.
It's so funny. It says, oh my gosh, it said something really funny. It
Getting
said,
things ready for you.
it feels like it has like funny,
Quips?
Yeah.
Nope.
Getting things ready for you.
Yeah, it does.
Getting things ready for you.
Except for this, it's repeating that it's getting things ready for me.
Getting things ready for you.
Okay, I get it. Thank you. I appreciate it.
It said just a moment, then getting things ready for you, and then eventually it'll say let's start.
Getting things ready for you.
But it needs to stop saying getting things ready for me because I know.
Getting things ready for you.
Oh goodness. Do you want to do time lapse? Or this?
I don't think it
Getting
shouldn't be
things
too
ready
long.
for you.
Shouldn't be too much longer.
Oh, sorry.
I wonder what drives in here.
What do you mean?
Getting
I wonder,
things ready for you.
like I wonder if he upgraded the storage for you.
Back window. Select all the ways you plan to use your device to get personalized tips, ads, and recommendations within Microsoft Experiences. You can always change this in Settings group. Development build delightful apps, websites, and
You can
tools
just
for
skip
the world
this.
checkbox checked.
You're not going to develop. So try hitting space.
Space, unchecked.
Now you can go down with your arrows. Oh, okay, try tab then.
Entertainment watch videos. Browse the web. Connect on social media checkbox unchecked.
And then you can hit space to check whatever ones
Space
you want.
checked. Gaming, play and discover game. Space checked. School, take notes. Write essays.
Let's do this.
Space
Sure.
checked. Creativity, bring your idea. Space checked. Business, track expenses.
Oh, nope.
Family, connect with family member. Skip button. Accept button. Busy, just a moment. 0% progress ring. Use your phone from your PC. Just a moment.
What?
Link. Continue manually without a QR code.
You can set up and link your phone so that you can get like notifications, kind of like you can on the Mac. I don't know how well that works with iPhone versus it on the iPhone. I think it kind of works, but it's not super great, and you have the Mac, so I wouldn't worry about setting that up.
Link. Learn more. Link. Continue manually without a Q. Skip button.
So you can hit enter.
Busy, just
I
a
know.
moment.
There you go.
0% progress ring. Just a
I
moment.
know what to push.
Skip button.
What are you telling me this, Twin?
Try shift tab because it didn't really tell you.
Back button.
Then tab.
Volume. Back. Microsoft account pane. Skip button. Input indicator button. Accessibility. Volume. Back.
It doesn't. It
Microsoft
wants you to scan a
account
QR
pane.
code.
Skip
Just
button.
say skip because I don't know what it's for.
Busy, just a moment. 0% progress ring.
Busy,
just a
just a
moment.
moment.
Content information footer. Next button.
It does a great job at reading things to me.
Yeah, I know. Windows Narrator is not good.
Content information footer. Next.
Okay, whatever, I'll just hit
Busy,
next.
just a moment. 0% progress ring. Just a moment.
I'm living on
Heading
the
level
edge,
4.
guys.
Just a moment. Microsoft account window. Windows setup pane. Just a moment. At level 2. Finishing up at start window. Search window. Search box.
And it's
edit.
there. You go.
Search for apps, settings,
Oh.
and documents.
Alright, so now... Is this the flash drive?
Yep. Now she gets to install some programs, which means she finally gets to use a good screen reader that will actually read her information.
Yep.
New line. New notification from autoplay. USB. E. Select to choose what happens with removable drives.
Oh, look at that. It already switched you over to dark theme.
Window.
Oh,
Like it was on light theme and just immediately moved you to dark theme.
well, because you set that up on my other computer for some reason.
To make it easier for me
Navigation menu list.
when I was
User
helping you.
account for Tiana Dunkley.
That's why
1 of 2.
Okay, so if you want to go to the File Explorer, you can hit Windows and the letter E.
E.
So you hold Windows and there you go.
Home.
It's
Home.
opening.
File Explorer window. Shell folder view pane. Quick access. Group. Expanded.
So then you use your down
Quick
arrow.
access group. Desktop. 1 pane. Home. Favorites. Group. Expanded. Quick access group. Desktop. Quick access. Group. Quick access group. Desktop. Downloads. Documents. Pictures. Music. Video. Favorites. Group. Recent. Favorites. Quick access group. Desktop.
Do you want a hint?
1 of
We'll be on the desktop, wouldn't it?
You want to shift tab and go to the tree view
navigation pane tree.
or navigation.
Home.
And
1
now
of
you can
12
use your
level
arrows.
1. Gallery. 2. Tiana. Personal. OneDrive. 3 of 12. Start of quick access. Downloads. Pinned. Bot. Start of quick access.
Keep going down.
Desktop. Document. Picture. Music. End of. This PC.
There you go,
End of
that's what you
quick
want.
access. Videos.
You want this
This
PC.
PC. 10 of 12 level
Okay.
1.
Enter.
Collapsed. Selected.
You just say enter on that.
I know, I'm trying to find the keys. Have
Oh, okay.
patience.
Okay, sorry. Now you can tab.
Well, it didn't talk to me.
It switched windows. So now you can hit tab.
Well, it's not talking.
Well, yeah, because it visually changed it.
Local disk. C. 1 of 3.
And you-
Local disk. C. Non-selected.
Do I
Name.
go into any of these?
You want to go
Local
into
disk.
no.
C.
You want to go
Space
into
use.
USB.
Edit. View modes group. Detail. This PC tab item. 1. Add new tab. Back. Up to desktop. Alt. Refresh this PC. Address bar. Edit. This PC. This PC, split button, collapsed. One of, address bar, search this piece, sort, app, details, app, navigation pane, local disk, C.
So now
One
do I
of
go
3,
down?
Move your
local
arrows.
disk, C. Non-selected,
Move to the right.
name,
Yeah, I know.
edit,
I'm trying.
local disk,
Dude,
C.
you have no
Space,
patience.
edit,
I'm just letting you know where to go.
games,
I know.
D. 2 of
It's
3,
just, I'm
games,
trying to find like.
D.
Oh, so he
USB,
has 2 drives on there for you.
Games, USB, E.
Oh,
3 of 3,
USB.
USB, E.
What do I do?
Selected.
So you want to hit
name,
enter on that.
Edit. US. Items view list. Enter table items view. 0 by 4. F055582.
So that's the-
89100237 AC.
I should have named it better. That's the
Non-selected.
authorization number for JAWS.
Okay, so what am I doing?
So use your down arrow.
G2025.2504.
And then that's the one.
What do I do?
Any.
So hit enter.
2 of 4. Selected. User account control window. No. Button.
Left
Alt,
arrow.
and close button. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Freedom Scientific JAWS 2025. Verified publisher.
Oh my
Freedom
god, this
Scientific Inc.
keyboard and
File
then-
origin. Removable media on this computer. Exit
No.
table. USB. E. File Explorer
I
window.
just hit enter.
Whoops. Do you want me to help you?
No, it's just this keyboard. Can we switch to mine?
I mean, you could.
Because this is too difficult for me.
Okay, we're gonna switch keyboards. We'll be right back.
Now
Okay,
12
we've
level
switched
1.
keyboards for her.
Collapse.
Now
Select.
she's using her keyboard that she uses with her Mac. It's still a Windows keyboard, but it's one she's more familiar with.
This laptop one I can't.
USB. E.
What do I do?
11 of 12 level
So you
1.
want to hit tab?
Collapsed. Selected. Network. USB. E. Items view list. Enter table items view. 4 by 4. J2025.997. J2025.2504.89.
So you wanna hit enter on that?
Any. User account
Then you
control
want to use your
window.
left arrow.
No. Button. Yes. Exit table. USB. E. File Explorer. No item in view.
Okay. It's loading up the installer.
JAWS install window. I accept the license agreement.
Oh,
checkbox
to say you don't
unchecked.
have 2 screen readers after, you're gonna want to make sure you hit.
Options. I accept the license agreement checkbox.
What?
You're gonna want to make sure you hit
Options. Button.
Control Windows Enter to turn off the Windows area.
Hyperlink. I accept the license agreement checkbox unchecked.
So you can hit space to check that.
Space. Checked. Options. Hyperlink. I accept the license agreement checkbox checked. Install. Button. Space.
Wait, what did you say to do?
Control Windows Enter.
For right now?
It'll turn off the Windows narrator.
Right now?
Yep.
I have to hit install though.
Yeah, you can hit install first.
And then what are the keys?
Control Windows Enter.
Control, Windows.
0. Exiting narrator.
No, it should still, because the JAWS install will still talk. So,
Oh, really?
yep. It's not talking right now because it's just a progress bar, but. Okay. We'll switch to a time lapse for this. Okay, we've got a couple things fixed. I forgot how annoying the activation was of the screen reader, and every time she would turn on the screen reader and then close the application, or to alt tab out of the application to go get her authorization number, it would close the program.
So annoying.
Super annoying.
14%, 15, 6, 18%, 59.
I don't know what
You're adjusting your speech rate, I think.
Cancel button to activate. Press next greater button to cancel. Break colon 60. Left right slider 18% to increase or decrease with the arrow keys. Alt plus
It wants you to, it's asking if you want to adjust your speech rate.
18, 17%, 8, 19%, 8, 17%,
Oh.
18, 9, 20%.
The speech rate for Jaws.
Combo box. Most 3 of type in echo characters radio button checked. Enable voice assistant checkbox checked. List back button to active. Next greater button to act. Enter. Run Jaws settings. If you select quote start Jaws at the logon screen. Quote Jaws will be loaded at the logon screen. If you select quote start Jaws after logon for all users. Quote Jaws will be loaded after logon for all users. You can also choose how Jaws will be loaded after logon for this user. Start Jaws at the logon screen. Checkbox checked. A clear check. Start Jaws after logon. Start Jaws after logon. Run Jaws from system tray. Checkbox not checked. Prompt to confirm when exiting Jaws. List back button to act. Prompt to confirm when exiting Jaws. Checkbox checked. List back button. Next greater button. Enter. Common options. Smart navigation off radio button checked.
Oh,
On the
what's
board.
that?
To change the
I'm not
selection,
sure.
press up or down arrow. Alt plus S. Smart navigation controls only radio button checked. Smart navigation off radio button checked. 1 of 4. Smart navigation tables radio button checked. 3. Smart navigation controls and tables radio button checked. Forms use keyboard layout. Forms mode auto radio button checked. 1. Use keyboard layout colon combo box. Desktop 1 of 3. To check use virtual ribbon menus checkbox not checked. To check press space bar.
You should probably use that.
Space checked. Initial state of num-lock key turn off at startup radio button checked. 1 of 3.
You want to change that
Press up or down arrow.
because you want your number locked.
Space. List back button to the initial state of num-lock key turn off at startup radio button checked. 1 of 3. To change the selection press up or down arrow. Alt plus M.
Oh.
Initial state of initial state of num-lock key turn on at startup radio button checked. 2 of 3. To change the select space.
I want to uncheck it.
No, you don't want to uncheck it. You want to change what it is. So you want to set it to turn on at startup.
I think it is.
Okay.
I don't know.
Use virtual ribbon menus checkbox checked. Initial state of num-lock key turn on at startup radio button checked.
Okay, there you go.
Change the
That's
selection.
Yep.
Press up. List back button to activate. Next greater button. Enter. Verbosity settings. Scooter messages announce menu and control help radio button checked. Access key speak all radio button checked. Verbosity level beginner. List back button to activate. Verbosity level beginner. Highest radio button checked. 1 of 3.
So how much information do you want from your screen reader?
Verbosity level intermediate radio button checked. 2 of 3. To change the
Why
select
did I
advanced
say that?
closed radio button checked. 3 of 3. Verbosity level left back button. Next grade enter. Braille translation settings. Language combo. Output input. Left back. Next grader button enter. Braille settings. Braille mode combo button. Reverse enable. Left back finish button to active enter. Taskbar. User account control dialog. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Freedom Scientific Elevation. Verified publisher. Yes button to activate. No button to activate.
Yes.
Yes button to add enter.
It's because you did things like telling it to run on startup and stuff like that. And there you go. So that's done.
Widget sports headline Arizona's Eugenio Solar. Start button off to activate. Search button off to activate. Press space bar.
Wait, what?
Search dash Morse code day button to task view button off. Copilot button 1 of 6. Show hidden icons. Desktop. Folder view list view. JAWS 2020. Like. Learn about this picture. Recycle bin. Learn about this picture. 3 of 4.
So now you can go back to your file explorer. So Windows tab or Alt tab.
USB
Sorry.
left parent colon right parent dash
Yep.
file explorer to move to an item. Press the arrow.
Okay.
J2025 F0555 J Midnight 7 zip Chrome Discord team.
You wanna run that?
Installer 3 of 4.
Open it.
Yep.
How do you...
Just hit enter.
Enter. Preparing setup dialog. Progress bar 1000%. User account
1000.
control dialog. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Midnight. Verified publisher colon secure by design in. File origin.
Yes.
Colon. Yes button. No but yes button to act enter. $$ secure look background window. Preparing setup dialog. Progress.
So now this is going to install a bunch of programs automatically for her.
Press enter. 0%.
Oh, a bunch of them.
69%.
Yep.
100%.
What? Done already?
It's downloading everything.
I think this is done.
I don't think it's done yet.
Write feedback link to act. Show details link to active. Cancel button to act. Right feedback link
No,
to
it's
activate.
not done yet.
Cancel button. Show details link to activate.
You can
Right
show the
feedback
details
link
if you
to
want.
Cancel button. Show details link to activate. Press enter.
I'll have to.
So what this is going to do is this is going to install Google Chrome, Discord, TeamViewer, Zoom.
All of those vids at the same time.
0%.
Yep.
100%.
It's a really nice tool.
How do you do it?
What do you mean? It's a website called 99.com. Or I think it's 99.net, but yeah.
Oh, where you can put a bunch of programs
So what I did is I went and selected a whole bunch of programs from a list, and then it asked me if I wanted to install, and then it just downloaded one file, and what it does is it just checks and downloads the latest files and programs from their websites, and it auto installs everything. And like if there's any like toolbars and other random junk that she doesn't need, it will just
Discord.com/@_1745795022657-Discord. Minimize button to activate. Press enter. Select an app to open as HTTP. Always button to activate. Just once button to act.
Oh, it's Discord stuff.
What do I say?
You can just escape it.
Press space bar. Escape. Discord.com/@_1745795022657-Discord.
And you can alter for that.
Discord. Email or phone number star editor required. Type in Alt F4. Midnight dialog. Show details link to activate.
Oh.
Show details link. Right feedback link. Cancel. Share midnight link.
Okay.
Show details. Right feedback.
Okay, so it's still installing a
Press
couple
space
things.
bar.
I think it might still be installing something. Let me just double check. And the last thing for you to install is Steam.
Steam setup left parent, one right parent, 4
Okay.
4.
Yep.
Enter.
Yep.
Enter. User account control dialog. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Steam. Where? Yes button to act. No
Yes
button
or
to
no?
activate. Yes button to enter. Steam setup dialog. Next greater button to activate.
next.
Press space bar. Enter. Cancel button to activate. Press space bar. Next greater button. Enter. Install Steam setup dialog. Choose install location. Choose the folder in which C:\max
that's fine.
program files left parent x86 right destination folder browse ... button to act less back button install button to act enter next greater 0%. Show details. Show
And it's
details
done.
button to activate. Finish button to activate. Press space bar.
Finish?
Left
Yep.
Enter. Steam.
Oh,
5%.
all done?
Yep. So I'm gonna turn towards you now,
34%.
and we're back live.
So, yeah, so I just wanted to do this little video trying to show different people how to set up a Windows computer as a totally blind person. Now, he is a techie, so he knows a lot of stuff, so he was here to help me, but hopefully the way he helped me can help others figure out setting it up themselves. So yeah, that's gonna be the end for this video. If you like, if you like this video, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.
Before we wrap up, though, question for you: what would you rate the experience of setting up Windows as somebody who can't see? You can be honest.
I don't know, cause like you helped me
A lot.
with it.
Okay, let me ask you this: if I wasn't here to help you, could you have done this?
Probably, it just takes me a little while, and then I'd
So it's doable. It's still, I will tell you guys, as somebody who used to set up computers for a long time, I've done things as far back as doing a clean install on my computer of Windows XP. Microsoft has come a long way for its accessibility and setup for Windows. the screen reader accessibility of setting up Windows for somebody who is completely blind or even low vision still needs some work. For all its faults, you know, Apple actually does a really good job of making everything fully accessible, even to the point where even when you're not in the actual operating system, when you're in the recovery menu, which Windows also has, you can use VoiceOver in the recovery menu. Windows, you can only use a screen reader until you get to a very specific point, which is what they call the out-of-box experience, where you're creating your account and everything. So honestly, I think Windows is good. As somebody who plays games, I'm not going to use the Mac for gaming. But if I was, except for something like RS Games, which is accessible on Mac. But I'm somebody that plays a lot of games, and you can't really play much games on Mac. It's getting better, but it's just, no. It's powerful enough to be one, like with the M4, but yeah. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this experience. I've definitely learned a lot about, you know, watching somebody completely blind trying to go through something that I've been doing for literally years. And I kind of found ways around getting it to work, but you know, there's nothing like letting her experience it, which is actually going to be a really interesting experience. Teaser for June, I managed to get my hands on a Switch 2 pre-order, and I'm going to probably do an unboxing with her on that. I'm probably,
I have a name, thank you.
With Tiana, yes. We're going to set it up. I'm probably going to do most of the setup for the Switch 2, but stay tuned because, well, yes, but stay tuned because Nintendo has actually put a screen reader in the Switch 2, and one task that I have for her that I want to see if she can manage to do with the accessibility, oh look at that, there's the cat, is I want her to try and actually purchase a game on Switch 2. The whole menu has a built-in screen reader now, so I'm kind of interested to see how that goes. All right. Let's turn to...
Bye.
Bye.